On the first page, there are the familiar and recurring work steps that should be second nature to every cutting machine operator: planning, roughing, finishing. And finally, a stepped shaft and a thread with an undercut. The first side is done. Time for reclamping. Modern production machines often offer a counter spindle with automatic workpiece transfer and a turret that can be loaded on both sides. Alternatively, manual reclamping can also be simulated using the PAL command G30 Q1. Depending on the difference in the clamping depths between the first and second side, either an incremental 0-point shift with G59 or the setting of a new 0 point with G55 is required. The work steps on the second side are similar to the first: facing, roughing, finishing. A D-plate is required for longitudinal roughing, and here it becomes clear why. The component has a large 30-degree undercut.